Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Leonardo AI account. First of all, open up your preferred browser and search for Leonardo AI. Now open the very first website and you will be redirected to this page. Here, click on Create an Account and this login page will be displayed. Now enter your credentials if you have an account already. Otherwise, click on this Sign Up option. Now enter your email address, create a strong password for your account, and then click on Sign Up. After that, Leonardo AI will send a code on your email address. So go to your Gmail account and look for the code that Leonardo AI has sent. Once you have found the code, enter it here and then click on Confirm Account. Now, a new pop-up will appear on your screen. Here, choose your username and interest. Simply select your purpose for using Leonardo AI. After that, toggle on this button and click on Next to create your account. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.